Welcome to Lesson 4. In this video I will show how to import trailing 12-month data, then insert the data into bar charts. Start by creating a new tab that you name TTM. Write the following formula. Mark the instrument ID on the Search tab. Choose which ratio you want to use. Here are some examples you can use. Choose which format you want to see. I choose R12, trailing 12 month. Last is the type of data presented. You can choose high, low, or mean. I choose mean. Copy the formula and paste it next to the table. Choose which ratios to use in the other tables by replacing the number in the formula. Select an empty cell and then create a bar chart. You find it under the Insert tab and then click on the bar chart symbol. Make the empty diagram smaller than the quarter chart. Something like this. Right-click and press Select Data. Press Add and select Title for the chart. Press the up arrow in the Value field, then highlight the first 12 rows. Press Edit, then highlight the first 12 rows in the Year column. Click the time axis in the chart. Press the diagram symbol and then select Categories in reverse order. Change the color by clicking on a bar. In the Fill tab you can choose a new color. Copy and paste the diagram. Click on a chart and move the value field to the table next to it. Change the color on the bars on the other charts as well. Cut out the charts and paste them into the Search tab. Place them in two groups. One group on each side of the price history chart. If needed, adjust the sizes of the charts so it looks symmetrical. I like this design because you get a good overview for the stock. Change the company in the search box and see if it still works fine. I think this design looks nice. Let's test with another company. If you like this video and would like to support my channel, become a super subscriber by subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never misses any of my new videos. See you at the next lesson.